If you're a tech enthusiast wanting to level up, you need Profanar Technologies. Let's turn your coding dreams into reality. At our Ramanathapuram branch in Coimbatore, we offer top-notch Python and Java courses designed to propel your career. Learn from experienced instructors who bring real-world project experience to the classroom. Affordable pricing? Check. Our Python course is budget-friendly without compromising quality. And we don't just teach. We guide you to job success with robust placement support and internship programs that pave your way to full-time employment. Gain hands-on experience with real-world projects, ensuring you're job-ready from day one. Plus, with our training center in Coimbatore, our courses are accessible to everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Join Profanar Technologies and build your expertise in the competitive tech world. Your future in full-stack development starts now. Click the link to enroll today.